2 words for you. Lentil soup. No! Cringe! Alright, so making lentil soup, and this recipe is really cool because it's super easy. It takes like 10 minutes to prep it all, and then you put it to boil for like 30 minutes, or put it to simmer for 30 minutes, and then you get soup. So you're good to go. I'm gonna flash the recipe up real quick. We got a carrot, half an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, celery, small potato, and then your vegetable stock, and then of course the lentils. So let's just get right into it. Because I don't have vegetable broth, I'm heating up my water so I can dissolve my better than bouillon like sauce, I guess. So that's gonna be like my flavor for the soup. And then while that's boiling, I'm gonna chop up my veggies over here, and then we're gonna cut and do that really quick. Okay, I'm just gonna set a timer on my flip phone here. Just gonna see how long this takes. All right, 1 carrot. I'm gonna add another carrot because I like carrots. I'm using my Instant Pot for this, but you can use your stovetop. You're basically just gonna want to heat up your pot to probably a medium, and then you're gonna want to put your onions in, put up that diced onion in, and then put up that garlic and just saute it for a little bit until it gets brown. Okay, got the onions and the garlic in. Just gonna let that saute for a bit. Onions and garlic have pretty much done sauteing. I'm gonna throw in my vegetable stock, 3 to 4 cups worth. Let's try and do this here. Okay. And then I'm gonna put my carrots, potatoes in, and then I'm gonna put 1 cup of lentils. I didn't have red lentils, so I'm using green lentils here. Now I'm gonna put some onion powder in, oregano, and cumin. I would put garlic powder and smoked paprika, but I don't have that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of pepper in. Then that's it. Just those 4 right there. Okay, putting a little oregano in. Definitely a good amount of cumin, and then onion powder, of course. Bit of black pepper to finish off here. So this is how it came out with 4 cups of water. As you can see, it's a bit chunky, but yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.